and even 25,000 is hike from the crop waiver loan, but agri union conduct this, so it's not a fulfill of court promises.
See, there are agriculturists who have taken loans, and not only like Siru Vivasayigal Kuru, so there is some differences there. Those difference has to be addressed. Everyone is suffering in the agriculture is the major employment provider for our state, most of the Indian states. So lot of people are engaged in agriculture. More than 2 crore or 3 crore of the population is in agriculture and agriculture related activities. So the loans are more high here, and they were expecting a full waiver, but since out of 20,000 crores of the existing loans, only 2,000 crores has been relinquished, or it has been waived. So there are more than 15,000, 16,000 loan is still pending. So the agriculturists or the farmers are expecting more waivers and hope to receive the good news during our budget session.
Yes, how do you see law and order situation in the state? Because we can witness rape and murder every.
Have you been witnessing the same thing for past 5 years? So it is high time we can't keep quiet. We have seen this for the past 5 years, how bad it has happened due to the drug problem and the substance abuse. So we need a firm hand in crushing this drug abuse and substance abuse problem in the Tamil Nadu state. And when it comes to the protection of women and children, more POCSO courts or the special courts have to be established. At present, we have only 20 special courts which take these cases on daily basis and deliver justice. So justice has to be delivered the same day, not delayed justice. So we need more courts. Approximately we need another 50 or 30 more courts. Totally 50 courts, special courts are needed to address this law and order problem relating to sexual abuse of women, so and children. So we need more courts.
Madam, daily the power cut is very high. How is it?
Yeah, this is because of the mismanagement of the electricity board department for the past many years. So that has to be addressed. Maybe it needs some more time. Let us see what is happening. Thank you.